All right, parallel parking, a frickin' 45-foot RV in the middle of downtown Owensboro.
All right, swing it back.
Not the smartest thing I've ever done.
No, you're good. I'm right behind you. Just keep going.
Straighten it out now?
Good.
Look at that. Parallel parked a 45-foot RV. First time.
Plus whatever else it is. Let's drop.
Yeah. Sweet. We're in downtown Owensboro. It's amazing.
Hi, I'm Eric Farewell.
And I'm Travis Burns.
We run a paramotor school here in Central Florida and the Paradigm Aerobatic team.
And we love all things aviation.
This is AviatorShow.
All right, guys, we're in downtown Owensboro. This is the first time that we've ever parked our fifth wheel in the middle of a downtown area across from the Hampton Inn and Suites. And it's actually really neat. So we're gonna walk down to the riverfront, check it out. Here we are. We have no idea where we're gonna take off and land from.
That's what we're kind of trying to figure out right now.
Yeah. We're here a day before the rest of the team. The rest of the team's gonna be here on Thursday afternoon. We'll have Tucker and the Martins, and Eric's arriving from Alaska, and David.
And look at how fast that river is moving.
Yeah, and look at that debris.
Yeah.
But we did point out earlier that if you do land in the water, you're gonna be floating along with the logs.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't get hit in the head. I mean, with the winds coming from this direction, and nice downhill launch would be very easy.
Yeah, well, if we
Yeah, there's that motor area. I mean, right now you could lay a wing out right here and launch. It'd be a little bit wonky, but it could be done. Ah, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, it was a tie.
No, bullshit.
Bullshit. You had a head start too. It was a tie.
Whatever. And I have way more steps than you.
Hey guys, we just packed up and we are on our way to a practice field tonight that one of our local gracious paramotor pilots here in Owensboro has made the arrangements for us to use. It's a great location. It's about 10 miles outside of the city. So tonight we're planning to do practice for the show. And after that, actually at 6 o'clock, the city of Owensboro has arranged for us to do a tandem flight for one of their local media guys.
On the way now from Nashville to Owensboro, and I have the man, the myth, the legend, David Tejero. Infinity. Mr. CRC himself. We are so stoked. Driving through some construction, so I'm gonna hop off. But we're almost to Owensboro, about 40 minutes out. We're gonna do some practice tonight, and hopefully I get to fly too. I'm super pumped. It's gonna be a great day. Already back from Alaska, working off this red-eye flight. Got lots of coffee. I'm stoked.
Are you Alex?
Yep.
Hey, Alex Travis.
How's it going?
Yeah, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Hey,
A little earlier, Chris.
Chris, nice to see you again.
How you doing, man? Kyle. Alex. Nice to meet you, man.
I met you out there for it.
Yeah.
What's up, brother? Good to see you guys.
Yeah, same.
What's going on? Good to see you.
Who's phone?
So this should be pretty easy, guys. I mean, we're doing the same thing we did at St. Louis, essentially. And the launch is kind of similar. We're just going to take off from a field 2 miles away. And we'll work it out with Wayne tomorrow morning. He's airbossing the show again, so he understands what we did there. It'd be great. And we'll probably have a holding area. So, you know, basically, if you can imagine, this field is the Ohio River out in front of us. This building is show center. The field that you guys are going to be launching from, imagine that that like green, like really green area on the hill over there. That's kind of basically about what the layout's going to be like.
So love me, even if we're wasted. Gears on me, you know you gotta taste it. So fall for me, and I'll follow you. We need nothing but each other. Let's get under the covers. We got so much to to discover. So I wanna let you know that, baby, you're a masterpiece. You sweep me right off my feet. Oh, baby, you're all that I need. But first things first, you gotta say please. So love me, even if I waste it. And kiss on me, you know you gotta taste it. So fall for me, and I'll follow you. So love me, even if I waste it. And kiss on me, you know you gotta taste it. So fall for me, and I'll follow you.
All right, guys, we just got clearance. We have the box and start proceeding towards show center. Show center is going to be the hangar building.
Ethan, just make sure you stay out of their way, buddy.
A team acro. B team show center. B team in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Acro. David, you're coming over the crowd line. Yeah. David, 10 seconds. Look how fast that is.
You gotta taste it, so fall for me, and I'll follow you.
My foot in the door. All right. See you, Brendan. It's good knowing you. Oh, he doesn't have a mic in. Here. We're going to do about a 30-minute presentation on paramotors and hopefully get to fly, so we're excited.
Okay, so now we are here preparing everything, the smoke, the light for the night show, sunset show. So the weather is very good and we are so excited for the amazing performance and infinite timbre and good show, sure. Cut. Okay, repeat, but okay, repeat. No, repeat, and you other day you put that you prefer.
Okay.
Okay, so we are on Friday, and it's start the show and the sunset in the airport, and I am, bueno, we. Hey, don't disturb. Go out. I don't want to see you. Go out. Action. So we're on Friday, it's start the show. We are prepared, everything, the smoke, the light, ready for night show. I'm sure that is awesome. All the things, we are the performance like in Oscar, like in Sang and Fam, and we are so excited about the show for tonight in new city and new people, new public, so sure that is awesome.
We'll talk to the Airshow organizer, John, but we've got this area here and then down past the fire truck as well for launch and landing.
Okay.
I would think.
Well, let's go walk down there really quick just to confirm that we have enough room. I mean, the winds are going to be coming this way.
Paradigm, go ahead, boss.
Yes, sir. Wind 0605. The airspace is yours.
Thank you, sir. David. Clear to launch. All right, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 18, launch. Malagitas, 10 seconds. Malagitas, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Acro, that's nice. A-team, you guys can start when you're alongside. B-team, show center. A-team, I'll call the break. 3, 2, 1, exit. B-team, 10 seconds. B-team, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, barrel roll. A-team, show center. And you guys start. A-team, show center. I'll call the exit. And in 3, 2, 1, exit. All right, B-team, come together for the synchro spiral. Now, Malagitas, 10 seconds. And in 3, 2, 1, exit. And David, 5 seconds. 5 seconds, Malaguita. And David Acro. That's awesome. That's awesome. Ethan's going to be about 10 seconds. David's working his way in. 3, 2, 1, smoke. Scream, wave, kick your feet, smile. I love it, guys. Awesome. Three, two, one, smoke off. Smoke on in 3, 2, 1, smoke on. There you go. I like it. I like it. I like practicing this way. This is very realistic. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, break. That's awesome.
Thank you all so much for watching. This has been Paradigm Aerobatics. My name is Eric Fearwell, coming to you from Owensboro. It's a true pleasure to share our fun.
Come on, man, you gotta pop your ear cups and hear everybody.
I know. I could hear it through the haircut.
Good job.
Good.
Good job, man. Oh, hey, man. Nice show. Great job. It was awesome. I'm gonna unplug you real quick. Oh, damn. It did a major spark, yeah. Poof.
Yeah, I didn't have time for tape.
Oh!
Roger.
Wow, man.
Fantastic job, guys. Wow, that was